How to fix Instagram page is not available right now, iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix Instagram page is not available right now, there are a few things that we have to take note of. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also switch between networks if your network is not stable. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Now open App Store on your device and search for Instagram there, and make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. See if the app is fixed or not. If not, open Settings again and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Instagram option and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the application. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data. Also, go back and tap on Background App Refresh and then on Background App Refresh again and make sure Background App Refresh is on. Lastly, try to reset all settings. In order to reset all settings in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter a passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.